to the next category, time invariant and variant system. So here the time invariant in the sense the input and output relationship does not vary with the time. That is the meaning, right? So if you are varying the time parameter either in the input side or in the output side, the output, the system response will not change. That is the meaning. That is for time invariant system, right? So if it varies, then it will coming under the time variance system. So look at this equation for the time invariant system. So y of n minus k is equal to h of x of n minus k. The meaning here is, so first, whatever the steps involved in this process is, x of n is our input signal, y of n is our output signal, right? So first, coming to the left hand side of my equation, so x of n is my input signal. So first we will calculate the x of n minus k, the delayed version, k value, right? X of n minus k. So delay your input signal by the unit k, and then supply the delayed version of your input to your system having the transfer function h. So now you are having one output. That output you keep it on the left hand side of your equation. And coming to the right hand side, you have to substitute or submit your input signal, original input signal x of n to your system, which is having the transfer function h of n, right? H, right? So now you are getting one output signal as y of n. Now that y of n signal should be delayed by the same amount of time period, whatever we had with the input side here k. So that is why the representation k is given on both sides. So now you have to delay your output signal with the same unit. So you will get y of n minus k. So that is the answer we are having on the right hand side of our equation. So in the left hand side, initially we have done the delaying in the input signal, input side. In the right hand side, we are doing our delay in the output side, right? So now you check whether these two are equal or not. Left hand side will be equal to right hand side or not. If it is equal, then that is time invariant system. The meaning here is the input and output relationship does not vary with the time, either varying on the input side or on the output side. The system response will be the same. That is the meaning. But if it is not equal, then it is coming under the time variance system. The meaning here is it varies with respect to time. The relationship, input output relationship varies with time.